Hello Russian learners, Anastasia here with another idiom comparison. And today we'll be talking about resemblance within family. And we'll be looking at the idiom like father, like son. What do we say in Russian when we describe such a kind of family resemblance? Are you ready? Let's achieve it. First of all, let's translate the English saying literally. And in Russian here, we are going to use a very interesting formula. Каков, таков и, or Какой, такой и. This formula, just like the word like in English, is used to show similarity between two people, places, entities, or concepts. In other words, between two nouns. So, like father, like son in Russian will be Каков отец, таков и сын. Or Какой отец, такой и сын. In the formulas Каков, таков и and Какой, такой и, both words complement each other and serve the following meaning. The first element is of a certain kind, and the second element is of the exact same kind. The characteristics of the second element are shaped by the characteristics of the first element. So what is the difference between Каков and Какой, таков and такой? Каков and таков are considered more archaic and bookish. That is why they have a more poetic character. So the usage of them in proverbs is more preferable than the usage of neutral in connotation Какой and такой. Proverbs are accumulators of people's wisdom, and this wisdom is shown by the usage of bookish words, which make them sound more authoritative. In modern everyday language, we use Какой and такой more often than Каков and таков. However, Каков and таков are also used sometimes when people want to make their speech more colorful. For example, Каков его статус? Какова причина ваших действий? Каково ее будущее? Каковы будут их решения? All these sentences could be found in journalist speech, on TV, or in newspapers. Каков is only used to ask about the quality of something, whereas Какой is used to ask about a quality or to specify the order or the name of something. For example, Какой у тебя любимый язык? I'm interested in the name of the language. Какая у вас обычно зима? I'm interested in the quality of winters in your region. Какое сегодня число? I'm interested in knowing what date is next in order today. If we wanted to replace Какой with Каков in these examples, we would only be able to do it in the sentence about the winter. Какова у вас обычно зима? But that would sound bookish. If you want to know more about the question word Какой, watch my other video on it. The link will be here. Another idiom that we use when talking about similarities between family members is Яблочко от яблони недалеко падает. An apple does not fall far from the apple tree. Here we have the word Яблочко in its diminutive form. In general, it's Яблоко. You already know that the suffix chk is one of the diminutive suffixes in Russian. Remember the word птичка, a little bird. Яблоня, an apple tree, is in the genitive case here because it follows the preposition от, from. Яблочко от яблони. Literally an apple from an apple tree. I think the English language and other languages also have such a proverb because apple trees grow in different places around the world, and this metaphor could have been born in the minds of different people of different nations. Let me know in the comments if your native language has such a proverb. And in general, what do you say in your mother tongue to describe similarities between family members? Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and if you're not subscribed yet, click this button, and I will see you every Tuesday and Saturday to achieve Russian proficiency together.